Can you believe this giant bone will become a luxury fashion item? Today, we are inside a recycling mega factory to see how waste bones turn into treasure. Here we process materials on a massive scale.
Millions of tons of animal bones are collected here every year.
These giant bones are carefully selected for their strength and quality.
Inspectors ensure only the solid, uncracked bones enter the production line.
First, the bones undergo intense steam cleaning to remove any residue.
High-pressure water polishes them into a pure, clean white color.
Next, they are dried at high temperatures to harden the material. The result is a material as hard and beautiful as ivory.
Now, the bones are ready to be shaped into buttons. Intricate designs can be etched in milliseconds. To achieve a smooth finish, they are tumbled with ceramic beads.
After hours of polishing, they shine like pearls. Quality control checks for any discoloration or cracks.
Automated sorters group them by diameter and thickness.
They are bagged and ready for the textile factory.
These premium buttons are now heading to the clothing line.
But the waste is not wasted. Scraps go to the mega crusher.
The bones are pulverized into fine bone ash powder. This powder is the key ingredient for bone china ceramic.
Meanwhile, in the textile wing, premium cotton is prepared.
Automated lasers cut the fabric with micrometer precision. High-speed sewing machines assemble the luxury shirts. Skilled hands ensure every seam is perfect.
From waist bone to high fashion, the cycle is complete. Now, the bone buttons meet the fabric. The machine attaches the button in under a second. The natural bone texture adds a unique touch to every shirt. Steam pressing gives the shirts a crisp, retail-ready look. Perfectly folded and ready for packaging. The final brand tag signifies quality assurance.
Stacks of pristine white shirts await their boxes.
Skilled operators assemble the shirts at incredible speed. Now, the bone buttons meet the fabric. The machine attaches the button securely in under a second. The natural bone texture adds a unique, organic touch. Steam pressing gives the shirts a crisp, retail-ready finish.
Luxury items require luxury packaging.
The final touch of elegance before shipping.
Automated arms prepare the shipment for export.
trucks carry the goods to fashion stores worldwide.
Finally, arriving at high-end boutiques.
Customers appreciate the sustainable story behind the product. Stylish, sustainable, and unique. Turning the old into the new.
If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to Rising Story USA.